y'all, how you doing? This is Sharon. It is Tuesday, but we're going to do a Take Back Monday today. Take Back Monday. It's Tuesday, though. It's the day after Labor Day. So, hey, let's get a good start to this week. Let's go in. Let's do well. Things we need to do, let's focus on them. If we need to get some sales, let's get some sales. If we have a checklist of some things we want to get done, let's get those things done with our work week today. Let's make the days count and let's be productive. Let's be productive. Yay! Also, today, let's work on not comparing ourselves with, not today, this week. Let's work on not comparing ourselves with others. Many of you who know me know that I do subscribe to biblical principles. And there's a scripture, there's a little part in the Bible in the book of John where Jesus is actually talking to Peter. He gives Peter some instructions like feed my sheep, feed my sheep, feed my sheep. Peter's like, okay, I love you. I'll feed them. I'll feed the lamb. I'll feed the sheep. I'll do all that. The very next thing Peter does is he turns and he looks at who many people believe is John, who leans back on the breast. And he's like, but what about him? And like Jesus just gave you instructions for your life. And the first thing you want to come with is what about him? And Jesus said, what's that to you? What's that to you? You follow me. And so this week, let's really try not to compare ourselves or, base our race on somebody else. Let's run the race the way we're supposed to run the race. Let's, put our things before the Lord, pray about them, watch them come to fruition because he's faithful. And let's not get caught looking horizontal. Let's not get caught with side gazes, taking our eyes off the prize and getting off track. Couple of scriptures that say something about that. It's just not wise. It's not helpful. But let's do that this week. Okay. That's pretty much it. That's the Monday Take Back, even though it's on Tuesday because Labor Day was yesterday. Let's have a good week this week. Let's have a good week. You can do it. Talk to you soon. Bye.